done taking a bath. So, we'll be doing our makeup. Lumabas lang ako ng kwarto kasi yung kasama ko dun is naliligo. And medyo namumutla pa ako bagong gising. I want to share with you, being a cabin crew, it is very important to moisturize your skin kasi sobrang nakaka-dry talaga pag lumilipad. Like, sa akin, pag lumilipad ako, nagda-dry yung lips ko and also as well yung hands ko. Ayan o, nakita nyo ba? Kaya sobrang bongga talaga yung moisturizer. So, for my foundation, right now, I'll be using this one, the Superstay Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation, and also this silicone sponge. Sobrang, ewan ko, ngayon gusto ko tong Maybelline. I tried because I created a review. You can watch it. Right now, will be going back to Manila by 8 a.m. Our sign-in time is around 7 at the airport here. Breakfast pa kami, so ang usapan namin is around 6:30. So sa akin siguro baka magko-coffee na lang ako. Then magti-take out na lang ako ng food. Dun ko na sa bahay kakainin. Kasi it's 25 minutes flight lang naman. So yan, usually pag one remain overnight stay lang kami, yung mga basic makeup lang yung dinadala ko. Kilay. Let's use detail palette. Like what I said, is may some other tutorial. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite kong palette for pangkilay. First one is shade ng light brown. Yan. Tapos dark brown. Dito lang sa parang eyelid ng eyes. Curl or lashes. Eyelash curler from Nichido. And Maybelline Hypercurl. By Ganda Cosmetics in shade of Manika. Yan, sorry guys, medyo mahangin. Okay, Nivea Ultra Care Sun Protect, and then lipstick from Sunnies Face in shade of Hotsauce, and also the lip liner. This is from Miniso. I love this one. Highly pigmented niya. Gloss a little from Hotsauce. And I'm done with my makeup. Yan. Super ganda ng view dito. Tapos, you're in front of the ocean. Dito ako nakaupo. And there's a bed here as well. Sa likod ko. tables and chairs. And another set of seats. Papalit lang ako. I'll be wearing my uniform na and will fix my hair and I'll come back. Right now, it's 6:20. Sobrang maaraw na dito. Kita niyo ba? We're wearing earrings, pearl, scarf, nameplate with her name on it. Yan. Right now, we're waiting for our service. Going to Clubhouse for our breakfast or to have our breakfast there. Then, proceed kami ng departure area around 7 a.m. Medyo magiging busy na. And then, 8 a.m. will be our departure from Balasin to Manila. Waiting. Nakalagay yung gamit namin. Waiting for the service at 6:30. Service. Andiyan ka pala.
Sinisigot talaga ako, Bash?
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Baka dun sa swinging. Okay na.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sige, ako na. Ayan. So, our service. Punta na kami dun sa departure area. Labs. Oo. Morning po.
Ayan, pasukin mo muna sa Celeteque. Celeteque.
Then we're waiting for a few minutes. Then we will proceed for flight operations na. To go back to Manila. Departure. So yun na guys. Antay-antay. Hi, Captain! Yes, I'm doing.
Lalo yun.
Yes. Ay ko. Dami kong dala. Wait lang. May init. Oh, wait. Cha-cha! Cha-cha! Mama, dito. Cha-cha!
Isara niyo muna.
Sige. Pasok ka. Cha-cha! Ay, ay! Cha-cha! Ano yan? Ay! Hala! Dito, dito! Dito, dito! Dito, Cha-cha! Excited! excited! So yan guys, I'm here already sa house namin. That's a short glimpse of cabin crew life. Dapat kasi ang flight namin doon is around 8. We should be there sa airport departure area 1 hour before estimated time of departure. So around 7. Sobrang naging busy lang nung paalis na. Please keep on watching. Stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Signature by Paris K. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you guys will always be updated. Thank you for watching.